What is hydraulic cement? And a lot of people think hydraulic cement, oh, that's the stuff that cures underwater, right? And that's not actually the case. Hydraulic cement is any cement which actuates in the presence of water. For example, Portland cement, the stuff that you build things with. Portland cement, sand, gravel, water, that's concrete. That standard mixture using Portland cement is technically speaking hydraulic cement because it hardens through the chemical actuation process that begins when you add water to the mix. And you might be thinking, well, how does that, is there anything that doesn't work that way? And there is. There's actually types of cements which begin the actuation process, which is to say they start to harden not from water, but from carbon dioxide present in the air. So it's just a matter of, and those are very unique, by the way. That's not something like you go down to your local big box hardware store and pick up a bag of that, give me a bag of that concrete that sets up from carbon dioxide. It just means it's a thing. It does exist, technically speaking, which is why the hydraulic cement is very common, very prevalent. It's in basically all the cement products that you use, that you see in the hardware store, that you've ever seen or used as part of everyday construction. But technically speaking, there is a different kind of cement. The type of cement that sets up underwater, like that repair product, that is also hydraulic cement, also a product that is made to actuate at the addition of water. Mix it together, and there's a ton of accelerants in there. It gets hot immediately, like physically hot, but you could actually take like a lump of this underwater repair hydraulic cement and swim down underwater and stem an active leak with this. It's kind of like a unique application, but that's the extent of what a hydraulic cement product could do. But still, it's actuating once you add water. It's not a carbon dioxide based or any other form of actuation process. It's still water based. And that's what almost all cements are. Portland cement, masonry cement, everything you've ever seen and used at the hardware store. But there is a different option out there. I hope you found this information helpful. And if you did, please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel here, and you're going to learn a ton about how to work with concrete.